Guys, have a good day to everyone. Today is the third day of Ramadan, and mostly coffee shops, cafeterias are still closed. So I came here to sit for a while because I still have time, and my work time is 3 p.m. So I will come here to sit first. In this building is a sea tower where I'm working. Every Thursday I come here to work. This family is a Palestine family. I work with them since 2020. I want to drink coffee, but see, this coffee shop is still closed. So I just sit here to relax, to hear the chirping of the birds, because on this park too much birds. Have duck also, but I don't know where are the ducks. Maybe they hide also.